Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today we're talking about Bitcoin and only Bitcoin. I want to share with you guys a very important pattern that I see repeating itself on Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame that hopefully will be beneficial to a lot of you going forward. So do me a favor and everybody else a favor before I show you this. Like the video, because the more people that like this video, the more people could possibly see this. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you guys that pattern right now. Now, keep in mind, I do understand that variables are different, but patterns are patterns, and we have to give them weight. This is the pattern that we went through with Bitcoin's price action before we saw all-time highs and getting rejected. I'm going to show you guys how our current structure is mimicking this past structure and why we should be worried. So recently, before seeing all-time highs, we had a dump with a pump, and then we got rejected. We had a dump with a pump, and then we got rejected at our recent high. We got rejected by manipulation. We cut through the 50 and the 200 EMA, struggled to get above the 200 EMA, and when that 50 and that 200 met up again, what happened? We got dumped on further. We consolidated down here, had a relief rally before taking that final wet ride to the downside. Let me show you guys again what I'm talking about, just so it's clear. We had a dump with a pump, manipulation, rejection, struggled to get above the 200 EMA. The 200 and the 50 are meeting together, much like it did right here. And I do suspect that if necessarily things don't repeat themselves but rhyme, even if we come close to rhyming again, we will have another dump to the downside before ultimately consolidating and having one final relief rally and then taking that bloody, slippery slide to the downside like we did in the past. People have already been saying that we only have so much more time left in this cycle. You could follow hundreds of other YouTubers and they'll all tell you that. If you believe in the cycles, we only have so much more time. This would lead up exactly to that timetable. We get that dump, consolidate, final relief rally into October, maybe December, and then get that final dump. Now, I don't know if this is going to hold true and necessarily repeat itself 100%, but so far it has been. And I told you guys back here when we were struggling to get above 50 and we weren't showing that kind of strength. I took profits here on my Bitcoin. I reallocated into some altcoins. This price action setup did not look good to me at all to buy anything on leverage. Not financial wise, you do you. But I'm telling you right now, if price action doesn't necessarily repeat themselves but rhyme, we could see the same thing happen, struggle for the 200 EMA, and then when the 50 and the 200 EMA meet up, we're going to get dumped on further before consolidating maybe into that $42,000 price point. Maybe. We'll come down here, consolidate. That'll lead up exactly like previous price action, right? We'll come down here, boom, consolidate here, find a relief rally, push it back up, maybe get up to 48,000. Go sideways there before coming back down. Check out the price action, guys. Would that not exactly mirror previous price action? I know there's different variables. I know that. But I'm not ignoring what's right in front of my face. I hope you guys do what you will with this. I hope it benefits you. I'm hoping I'm wrong. I really hope that this was just a shakeout because El Salvador took Bitcoin as a legal form of tender in their country on the 7th. And the World Bank and the powers that be just tried to make an example out of all of us that support cryptocurrency and El Salvador. I hope a lot of you guys don't get shook out and we do see a rally back up and carry on. I hope this was the final shakeout before we break out. But I'm also prepared, much like I think you guys should be prepared for things to repeat themselves. There's a reason why there's a saying that's like that. Price action doesn't necessarily repeat themselves, but rhymes, right? There's a reason why that saying's true. Don't ignore it, guys. There's only 3 things that could ever happen in this market. We could either dump, we go sideways, or we pump. Don't forget to please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I actually have a giveaway happening on this channel where I'm giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber. Hopefully you guys found this beneficial. I'm hoping I'm wrong. So far, it's helped me tremendously to save a lot of profits. And maybe before we take this ride right here, it'll save some of you. Maybe. you'll profit from it by laddering in. Who knows? But yeah, hope you guys do well. Hope you guys stay blessed. Protect yourself at all times. Don't overextend. Let's get this money. Peace.